In the last stages of life, the financial condition of some people deteriorates. They are left with no means of earnings. The situation becomes worse when the husband and wife live alone and there is no one to take care. Even if they have family members, they might consider elders a burden and avoid talking to them. For such people, reverse mortgage scheme can prove to be a useful option. The reverse mortgage scheme works in just contrary to home loans that we get from banks and finance companies. When we take a home loan, the banks give lump sum amount to buy the property. In return, the bank keeps customers' property papers. To repay this loan, we make payments every month in the form of installments. On the other hand, in reverse mortgage scheme, banks provide lump sum of fixed amount every month by mortgaging the house. Along with this, the applicant is also allowed to live in the same house. In this way, in old age, your house can earn you a decent amount every month. In such a situation, you will not have to depend on anyone for money. Plus, this amount will be tax-free too. The benefit of reverse mortgage scheme is available only for Indian citizens. If you are single, then your age should be minimum 60 years. If you take loan jointly, then the minimum age of spouse should be 58 years. Usually, this loan is available for up to 20 years, which can range from 75 to 90% of the value of the house. Reverse mortgage loans are costlier by 2.5 to 3% of the base rate. This loan will be available only when the house is in good condition and the applicant has full ownership rights over it. This loan is not available on commercial property. Actually, most of the people in India don't have any means of regular income after retirement. People who get pension after retirement, they get financial security, but sometimes it also proves to be insufficient to fund health expenses during emergency. Investment consultant Jitendra Solanki says that some parents want to avoid being a burden on their children. In many cases, children also ignore their elders. They start to treat them like burden. Reverse mortgage schemes is a good option for such elderly people. Now, banks are also giving annuity under this scheme, on which pension will be available for life. Moreover, the elderly couple can use this house for living as well. If you want to take reverse mortgage loan, then you should have complete knowledge about how it works, what are its pros and cons. If you have no source of income and you live alone, then reverse mortgage scheme can prove to be a good option. Now, the big question is, what can be the impact of reverse mortgage on the legal heir? Children usually inherit property as per the will of their parents. With reverse mortgage, the properties cannot be received by the child until the loan and mortgage are cleared. If the child is legal heir, then he has to first repay the loan to get ownership of the property. If the legal heirs do not repay the loan, then the bank can sell the property to recover the debt.